Hi, welcome to Full Opportunities YouTube channel. Just before we start, I would ask you to take a moment so that you can like and share this video. And in case you haven't subscribed it yet, I would ask you to do that soon because I bet you wouldn't like to miss any piece of information from this scholarship forum. Now let's see what we have for today. For today we have an interesting scholarship bundle from a renowned institute in Korea. We are talking about GIST scholarships in Korea 2020 for students who want to aspire in master's and PhD degrees from abroad. If you're looking to study abroad in one of the most developed countries, this is the perfect opportunity for you guys. GIST scholarships in Korea are accepting applications now. GIST stands for Gawancho Institute of Science and Technology. The best part is that these scholarships are available for national and international students both. Now let's see what is the brief description of this scholarship. As the name indicates, the scholarship is based in Korea and it is funded. It is for students who want to have a master's degree in abroad and for those who want to have a PhD degree in abroad. But the deadline is 15th October 2020. So you need to sum up all the details within the deadline. So I'll tell you more about the scholarship so that you can make things possible for yourself. Firstly, let me tell you few fields in which if you're linked to, you can apply for this scholarship. Number 1, electrical engineering and computer science, mechanical engineering, life science, Department of Chemistry, Integrated Technology, Material Science and Engineering, Earth Sciences and Environmental Engineering, Department of Physics and Photon Science, Department of Biomedical Science and Engineering, Artificial Intelligence Graduate School. These are the fields. Now let's discuss the eligibility criteria of this scholarship. It's very easy. If you want to apply for a master's program, you need to have a bachelor's degree, and if you need to apply for a PhD program, you need to have a master's degree. As I've mentioned before that this is a bundle of scholarships, so it has different kinds of scholarships under this program. Number 1, tuition fee scholarship. A sum of about 34,15,000 won is available for tuition fee scholarships. Number 2, stipend scholarship for international students. International student allowance worth 1,40,000 won is available for MS students. For students of PhD, the allowance amount is 2,95,000 won per month. A meal allowance for those international students worth 1 lakh won is available. Further on, research assistant scholarship is also available. All students who are carrying out research work can apply for this scholarship, and it includes 48,20,000 won every year for MS students and about 1,14,80,000 won every year for PhD students. Another category includes reimbursement for flight scholarship for international students. It includes cost of one-way flight to Korea, but all this within a deadline which is 15th October 2020. So the last date to apply for this scholarship in Korea for year 2020 is 15th October year 2020. And for that you need to apply. The application link is given below in the description. So if you're interested, apply for that soon. Further on, I'll discuss what is the documentation process. Documentation has always been a very interesting part and important part for a scholarship application. So I will discuss what kind of documentations and what kind of documents are required for that. Firstly, you need to have letters of reference. Next, academic transcripts, your degrees, English proficient score, and a copy of your passport. The last one is important. If you wouldn't have a passport, you wouldn't fly. So passport is important, guys. Note it down. But all this within a deadline which is 15th October 2020. So guys, apply for that as soon as possible if you meet the eligibility criteria and if you're interested to study abroad. Full Opportunities Network is always happy to announce opportunities for you guys, and as per mentioned before, it is always available to help you out in certain ways. And if you have any query, any misunderstanding, and you want any information about any scholarship, you can contact us through WhatsApp groups, through Facebook pages, through Instagram pages, and through our website. All these links are given in the description below. You can click those and get access to us. Thank you so much for listening. For more information, keep watching this channel and kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much for listening. See you guys.